It's just you and I. The kettle singing on the stove, your favorite cup already poured. Morning light through the window shines like it has 1,000 times. Bills are waiting by the door. Life keeps asking us for more, but for a little while somehow nothing else can matter now.
No diamonds, no fancy things, just your hand reaching over to me.
That's enough, that's everything. Kitchen table love, where we laugh, where we cry, where we dream about tomorrow night. Kitchen table love, strong enough, built one conversation at a time.
No matter where this whole world goes,
this little table always knows love grows slow around kitchen table love.
I still remember our first chair. Didn't match but we didn't care. 2 small plates and borrowed dreams. Nothing was the way it seemed. Now the years have come and gone.
Somehow we kept holding on.
Every meal and every prayer built a little heaven here.
No perfect fairy tale, just 2 hearts that never fail.
Every day
Choosing grace, finding home in this little place. Kitchen table love, where we laugh, where we cry, where we dream about tomorrow night. Oh, kitchen table love, strong enough, built one conversation at a time.
every smile,
Every tear, love keeps growing right here. Kitchen table love. Some people chase the finer things.
we found treasure in ordinary days. Every story,
Every meal,
every promise,
every heat,
love was sitting,
waiting there,
waiting there.
waiting there.
Every story,
Every meal,
every promise,
every heat,
love was sitting.
waiting there. Table love. Kitchen table love, where our children learn to smile, where forgiveness stays a while. Kitchen table love,
Never rush, never bought.
never touched by gold.
Every blessing, every prayer.
Every memory we share,
If these walls could only speak,
they would tell the world. Love lives here around this kitchen table. One more cup of coffee, one more conversation,
whoa,
one more day